Unraveling the Meanings of Undercut, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic on our hands. We're going to dive deep into the meaning of the word undercut. This is a versatile word used in different contexts, and understanding its nuances can really help you in both everyday conversations and professional settings. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. The term undercut can be used as both a noun and a verb, and its meaning varies based on the context. Generally, to undercut means to offer goods or services at a lower price than a competitor. For example, if you say, "The store undercuts its rivals' prices," it means that the store is selling products at a lower price than its competitors. While undercut is often used in a commercial or business context, it can also be applied more broadly. In everyday language, someone might undercut another person by undermining their position or arguments. For example, in a debate, one person might undercut another by providing stronger evidence or a more persuasive argument. In a more physical sense, undercut can refer to cutting beneath a surface or making a lower cut in something. For instance, in hairdressing, an undercut involves cutting the hair short on the sides and back while leaving the top longer. Now, let's see how we can use undercut in different sentences to better grasp its usage. 1. As a verb, the new shop undercuts the prices of all existing stores in the neighborhood. 2. In a competitive sense, his relentless work ethic and innovation have the potential to undercut more established companies in the industry. 3. In a debate, she managed to undercut his argument by pointing out the inconsistencies in his facts. And there you have it, a detailed look at the word undercut. We've explored its meanings, looked at different contexts, and even seen it in action through example sentences. We hope this video helps clarify any doubts you had about this term and adds a new word to your English vocabulary arsenal. Don't forget to practice using it in your own sentences to ensure you've got it down pat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.